Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am in this room because I just thought of just shooting it directly as I am. I don't want to set up anything, I don't want to do anything. I just want to do an open whatever I got a video. I think you guys would also hear some noise in the background from my teams or somewhere. So let me just mute that because obviously I'm working and I'm working, and plus I just got my parcel for certain you can say I just ordered randomly. It was my birthday in April. I couldn't shop much, but online shopping is always there. And whenever I feel like little sad or something, I just order. Okay, that's my thing. I don't know if the lighting is correct or should I put a light. Um, I think so. Light is still better because I see that it's clear. So I received two parcel. And these are my like random purchase. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. It's been like, I'm not putting out videos because I'm not able to, just edit and be on my feet, or maybe, hustle too much because I'm just into my work nowadays. So it is from, I mean, the brand inside is something else, but this is from Innovest. Innovest has certain brands collaborated with them. It's kind of Nykaa, how Nykaa gives all the brands. Similar way, Innovest is one of the website where you can, get certain brands. Like, I'll just show what I ordered from Innovest. It's Chemist Play, and I think I ordered only Chemist because I wanted to order something. Right now I'm just exploring Chemist Play as a brand. I'm being using their body wash, which I really like. I'm using their two body washes, which is really lovely. So I thought I will take their more products to just explore. So yeah, so here I am. I just got a body scrub. I don't really do body scrub and everything, but I just thought, like, once in a while I used to, like, for example, I used to do McCaffeine body scrub. It was really good. Yeah, I used to take care of myself, but yeah, nowadays like, I have all the products, but I just don't get time or like enough time to do stuff. I'm in a mood to make this video today, so I am just doing a, this is how the package looks. It's a natural AHA plus coffee and brown sugar from Chemist Play body scrub. Helps remove tan, brighten skin, and exfoliate dead skin. So basically it's required. I mean, I know scrub is not required, like normally it's not required. I don't believe it's required, but yes, sometimes you can have, because I really have a strawberry skin. So not on my hands, but I do have a strawberry leg. So it just, to exfoliate, and also whenever I want to wax, before that I can just scrub, and it's really good for the ingrowth. Oh, okay, it was really, there's no cover, I'm not sure why, but it's just directly open, and I can see something just fallen out of it. Okay, it smells coffee. It's really nice. It's similar to what I had like McCafe, but little different because I can see brown sugar. I can see brown sugar. I can see coffee, and they said there's a AHA, so you can google what AHA is. I'm not here to provide information like what AHA and stuffs are like, but yeah, AHA is good for removing tan and stuff, so it's really good for pigmentation. So that's what I can tell you about. So yeah, it's really normal. It looks like a normal scrub which I normally used before. It claims that um what all things it does. I'll just tell that because it's written here. So it says accumulation of dead skin cell and cloak pore. Dead skin nikal deta hai. Exfoliate body scrub. Okay. And then remove of dead skin cells and clog pores. So yeah, it's good for your ingrowth. So yeah, exfoliating, I just do it for the ingrowth purpose, nothing else. Exfoliating scrub can help by removing the outermost layer of dead skin, revealing, okay, revealing brighter, fresher, smoother skin underneath and more youthful looking complexion. Also, if you guys are wondering who am I am Suma Susan Thomas. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself at the beginning of the video. I'm just here randomly talking, so I'm just in a chatty mood maybe, and that's the reason I'm just preparing this video. I just want to get back to my YouTube channel as soon as possible. So here I am, the most authentic way, and I make videos very authentic way as I am. I don't do much. Obviously, I make I really love to apply makeup whenever I can, whenever I go out. Otherwise, my makeup is gonna be waste. I do body. I do. Make videos on, like, just open what's there in the box, and maybe some fashion video if in case I'm in a mood to dress up and show you guys. Okay, so basically the second product here is neck, knee, elbow brightening roll on. I've never used a roll on because I am scared that my underarms will go dark, because I don't have a dark underarm, so I really don't require a roll on. And I really am a sweaty person. I really don't like something on my underarms apart from powder. Like, I need dry stuff. Like, I am a sweaty person, so I don't require a roll on. But this roll on, it's like काफ़ी सुना है, it's quite famous, and I think this is really nice maybe, and that's the reason it's so out there. So I thought, let me use, even if I'm not gonna use it on my underarms, I can use it on my neck area, knee and elbow, because you can see how it is. So basically सबका होता है यार, it's normal, because I think because तुम काफ़ी खेल चुके हो. I'm a millennial. Okay, I played. I was not on phone. Okay, so it has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, and vitamin C. So for sure it's gonna brighten up, because it has a lot of acids for sure. And I am really gonna use, I have sticked my phone on a bottle because it was not sticking on the wall. So I'm just scared that it will drop, but I don't see. I'll just fix it again. Okay, so yeah, again, Chemist Play. I'm not gonna drop any link or anything. If you really want to just buy Chemist Play, you can just directly go to their website and buy. Or there's a website from, like, when you go into the website, you can also go into InnoVest website, where all, I think 3-4 brands are there, and you can just buy. Okay, and I got these two with some offer. There was going on Chemist Play offer, that is like buy one get one in $5.99. So I thought, let me just, okay, I sometimes just try products when there is some offer, because some products you don't know and you don't know the brand, so better just buy it in offers rather than just putting your money in something like you don't know. So basically I don't feel bad when I do this kind of thing. So yeah, $5.99 for both of these things. I don't know if I'll make a video of this or not, but I just wanted to open this with you guys. Second product that I received is, I somehow never got something from House of Gulab, but I know this was a good brand, but I'm not sure why the package looks like this. But yeah, it's a good brand, and I don't have a bathrobe. Like, literally I don't have a bathrobe. So basically I wanted a bathrobe and I never got one. I don't know why. I went to IKEA, but still I didn't find a lot of options there. And I wasn't checking out bathrobes online, but this just got my attention. So I was like, this I need to buy. And this one's expensive, but still, yeah. But I thought I need to buy this one, because if I'm just gonna keep one bathrobe for myself, I should keep something good that I love. Okay, so this is gonna be something I just want to check out with you guys. Okay, again, this was on offer because House of Gulab was going on some sale. So I got this bathrobe. Look at this bathrobe. You wouldn't मन नहीं करेगा यार ना करा कर ये पहनो या फिर नहाते हुए ये पहन के आओ, but I would still use it. I'm not someone who wants to keep product unless I'm not liking it. So basically this was for $3,199, but I got it in offer, so I think I got it in 50% off, and I really loved it. Look at the packaging. It's simple plastic, but I'm just gonna show you guys the MRP, they have just put a card, and yeah, this is the print, and that's the reason I was like, I'm gonna get this for sure. And I think you guys would also love this. So let's open. I know too. Okay, I don't have a mic, or I have everything for a setup for a YouTube, but I really don't know why I'm so lazy and I can't do this. And because of that, a lot of my videos just go, I mean, it's not up there because of a lot of reasons in my head. So basically, I'm just gonna be randomly ranting or maybe coming here and showing you stuffs. If you love it, just subscribe, like, and share. If you don't, I can't force you guys to do. Yeah, so nowadays all the brands give these kind of stuff. So basically, House of Gulab, they have given a card where they have written like it's a handmade. Thank you for choosing to buy homemade, sorry, handmade, not homemade. It makes every day of coming to work worth it. And a lot of other stuff they have written, and they also have it on Instagram, Facebook, and stuff. And this is a Jaipur, Rajasthan re-owned craft. So basically, each block is designed and hand carved in wood by skilled artisans, taking several days to complete. So the blocks are then treated with oil to make them ready to hold colors, dipped in various hues to create beautiful ethnic motifs. So whatever they have done great job, because I love this product. Okay, so basically I always like whatever the print comes with cream and red or white and red, and basically it reminds me of my childhood, because I remember my mom dad used to buy me frock and stuff, everything with such kind of print. So basically I am a South Indian, got married to a North Indian, and also my family, they are into pastel colors, and somehow I had a lot of, like, prints. Like nowadays also I am getting a lot of prints like this because I'm attracted to the red and white combo, and I also think it reminds me of my childhood. That is also one of the reason why I keep on buying these kind of stuff. And yeah, my family is a pastel family, so they basically got me all the stuff like that. Okay, so let's see. This looks like this. Let's drape it around. Okay, this comes in one size. It's huge. So okay, it has this. Oh my god, I love this. I mean, I want to keep this with, whenever I go with my girlfriends, I can wear this. But I think I'm just gonna use it at home, so that I can also make, after bath videos, like, I'm doing this in skincare and that skincare after bath. Okay, so basically I love this product, and this is thoda sa garam for me. As I told you, I'm in Bangalore. The Bangalore weather is really good. Still, I'm a sweaty person, so I feel heat. And this is how the length is, and this comes, okay, it's below my knee. And also, look at the print and look at the vibe. Did you get such bathrobe anywhere? I mean, how can one not buy this? I mean, at least I will. So basically, that's it for my video, and I didn't want it to ruin this by wearing this again. I mean, not on top of my clothes, because obviously I don't want to ruin with my sweat. Okay, I'll just show you. Essie, look at the print. it has 2 pockets, plus point, and it's free size, and it comes with this. If you have a a hanger or some, I mean, in your bathroom, so you can just hook, yeah, you can just hook this. And yes, it's easy, it's breezy, it's really nice. Yeah, I just didn't I mean, I was not searching for one, but I'm glad that I got this House of Gulab bathrobe, because that's how I am in love with this bathrobe. Okay, I'm not someone who exaggerate thing. This is what my reaction is when I'm unpacking these stuff. So you guys can see my reaction on face, and if you guys think that you want me to give reviews again after using it, I might come and look into the comment. If I see, I will make, or else if I think it's really great product, I might make one. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for my video. This is me, Suma Susan Thomas, signing off, because I really need to get back to my work. I'm here like 16 minutes, it's already there, showed you guys whatever I got. Maybe there would be another video where I'll have products coming and I will be unpacking with you guys. So yeah, आज की वीडियो में मैंने काफ़ी शायद इंग्लिश हिंदी मिक्स नहीं किया. It was all a most of English part, but I am a person who will talk Hindi English mix, even if I'm not sure how grammar is. But yeah, that's how things are. You're gonna see the most authentic self, and whatever the mood is and whatever the vibe I am in, you will see it on camera for sure. Okay then, signing off. Bye. There. See you.